Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're picking some of our bigger zucchini. We're going to make some zucchini bread. Stay tuned for that video, but today's video is going to be making homemade pickled zucchini. And we're going to make a hot style because we like the hot and spicy pickles and stuff like that. And zucchini is perfect for making into pickles when it gets this big, and or if you got too many of them, you don't know what to do with them. So, alright. Let's head inside and get going. And we have actual pickles growing too. We already picked a bunch. And yeah, so those will be added to the mix. So we got 3 half-gallon ball jars we just cleaned out. We got vinegar, chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic, and crushed red pepper. Then we have some of our pickles. Fresh green beans, but those aren't going in it. Of course, the zucchini. And fresh garlic for my dad's garden we're going to be putting in it. So let's go ahead and start mixing this all up and getting it together. And we're just going to divide it up equally among the 3 jars. Now our zucchini. Now obviously, since some of these are huge, we're going to go ahead and you could either half them or quarter them. We're going to quarter them. Let's go ahead and get our garlic peeled and get some garlic in here now. So one more after this. You tell it's fresh, good garlic when it's so sticky. So this is going to infuse really well in it. So now we'll just divvy this up in between these. Alright, so we'll cut up one more zucchini. Alright, so now I'm going to add a half teaspoon of chili powder to each one. Quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Really make it garlicky. This is keep vampires away. Two teaspoons of red pepper. And a teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to top it off with some white vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar, whatever you want. And we're going to fill these up. Once you got it filled up, make sure the vinegar is above. We're going to put our cap on, give it some shakes. And now you can seal these, and you can seal these because these are ball jars. We're going to end up eating them. So we're just going to go ahead and keep them covered, and we're going to check on them in about 2 weeks. I'll try one then. So really simple and a good way to not waste your zucchini, especially if you get a bunch of it, or if it gets too big and you don't want to make zucchini bread. Make sure to check out our zucchini bread video. That'll be coming out soon as well. But really simple. There you go. Pickled zucchini, also with some fresh garlic and our actual pickles from the garden. So there you go. So I also wanted to add, if you didn't want to waste your zucchini or let it go bad, slice it up, get in your slices, and then you can vacuum seal them and freeze them. That way you can save them for later, and then you could cook them up with panko or breadcrumbs, or make more pickled zucchini. This way nothing's going to waste. There we go. Fresh pickled zucchini.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.